with Joshua once again this session. This time we are going to talk about the place where they carry out scientific experiments, and that one is called a laboratory, a place where experiments are carried out and where chemicals are kept. Now, this place is a very important place, and there are rules that govern it. So we are going to look at some of the rules, the basic rules that we are supposed to follow when we are in this place. One of the rules is you are not supposed to enter the laboratory without the presence of a teacher. So don't enter the labs in the absence of a teacher. That is the first rule. Another rule, don't drink or eat when you are in the lab. You're not supposed to eat or drink in the lab. Never run or play in the laboratory. Never carry out any experiment in the laboratory without the permission of the teacher or the laboratory attendant. Do not stand on tables, stools, and benches in the lab. Don't stand on tables, bench, stools in the lab. Do not carry bulky items to the lab, like for example, bags of books. Don't carry them to the labs. If the chemicals pour on your skin, wash with a lot of water. Wash with plenty of water. Handle the apparatuses with care. Apparatuses and chemicals should not be carried out of the laboratory. Waste materials that you have accumulated during the experiments should not be poured in the sink, especially the solid ones. They should be poured in the dustbin. Do not remove labels from reagent bottles. Don't remove labels from reagent bottles. When you pour reagents in the test tube or in a container, don't pour again the excess back into the reagent bottles. If the experiment requires you to use current or electricity, do it under the consultation of the teacher. During the experiments, if there are stools that are obstructing the pathways, they should be pushed under the tables so that the space is left free for people to easily move between the tables. In case of any fire outbreak, the fire source should be switched off very fast, as soon as possible. Never handle chemicals with your bare hands, because chemicals are corrosive. Any chemical accidentally taken into the mouth should be spat out immediately and rinse with a lot of water. Always after the experiment, leave the apparatus clean. Every after the practical experiment, wash your hands with a lot of water and detergent or soap. When you're carrying the bottles in the laboratory, don't carry them at the bottom, but carry them by the neck. There are very many rules that we follow in the lab, but today we have just looked at just those few rules. You will get other rules in the process. Thank you. God bless you.